night, guys.
Thank you guys so much. Okay, so it's been a few days. Luckily, Taiju Motorsports once again coming to the rescue. We actually had the Evo dropped off at their shop, and it was the train sensor, so they replaced it. The old one was all beat up. I'm crossing my fingers and hoping that's what was affecting the car when it was loaded up in the corners. It doesn't seem like that would be the same issue, but maybe that was the issue. We're gonna go pick up the car right now, and hopefully we are good to go. You ready to pick up my Evo? My car's alive.
It's alive, it starts.
Yay, thank you guys. Puppies. Rally. We are back in business. We're just gonna keep our fingers crossed that for whatever reason this sensor was the reason for our struggles on track. I still am worried that it's fuel related, but hopefully not. So great news, the Evo is officially fixed, mostly. I still need to confirm if it's having other issue that happens during load, mostly on right-hand corners. So I'm trying to see if I can get a lap or two on the track, and if not, just find an area where I can just corner the car. Hey, nope.
I hate it when
Keep your hands to yourself.
Why can't I wiggle your stick?
Because it's mine.
I let you wiggle.
You're so annoying. Literally so annoying.
You need to put that in your video.
No, I'm not.
That should do it. It's about the amount of G's.
Yeah.
So hopefully it's
Wow, well, I hope it's fixed. So before I actually go out for my real laps, I am going to take the car out and just do a lap to shake it down. Because if it is not fixed, I will not be able to drive today, unfortunately. My tank is completely full right now, so even if it was a fuel starvation issue, that might be kind of masked because of that, but hey, I'll take it. I just need to be able to do a few laps. Issues are 100% solved. I'm so happy that that means I'm actually going to be able to push this thing on track, drive it on track really for the first time, and see what it can actually do. So this whole time we thought it was a fuel starvation issue in the corners. It was a crank sensor the entire time. So I got to drive the STO as well. Also, big shout out and thank you to Rafa and the Rafa Racing Club for letting me get behind the wheel of their Lamborghini Huracan STO, both for this car and my time in that car. You guys are gonna have to stay tuned to Banging Gears Season 1 to see exactly what went down. Had a blast in the STO as well. Definitely night and day difference from this thing. My very first time behind the wheel was literally going down the drag strip. I'm on Team Supercar now. Yes, the exotic team.
Dark side.
Just warming up the car for me. I appreciate it. Welcome. Appreciate it. Randy is here, and I'm gonna be going against him down the strip, driving the STO for the very first time. Okay, good news. I did figure out how to open the door on my own, so that's good progress.
This is really a track car. It's not really a drag car. And so when you put it into Trofeo down here, which is one of the 3 driver modes, it doesn't let you put it into automatic, which is not necessarily the most efficient shift up here. A different experience.
Fair enough. Yeah, I think the track is really where this thing is going to shine. Well, that was all good fun. What a way to test drive a car for the very first time. So got to stretch the legs of that car a bit more in its proper environment, which was on a racing circuit, put some laps down and had a blast. With that, we are officially wrapped on the road course stuff for Banging Gears Season 1. Kind of crazy. We've been here for about 3 weeks now. We've ran through almost 80 plus different cars, drivers, amazing crew. Everyone on set that we've been working with has been absolutely amazing. We have the best filmers, audio dude, butters coming in clutch every single day, and it's just been a really, really awesome experience working with every single person here. So it's gonna be kind of weird to go back home and get in the swing of things there. We are officially wrapped for everything we are doing on the road course and the drag strip. We still have some B-roll and other stuff to film the rest of the day, but yeah, what a journey.
I gotta tell you something I could do.
Audio good? Alright, action. 3, 2, 1, action. I am here with Colette Davis, who brought her Evo 5 all the way from our home in Florida.
I'm sorry, that was so weird.
What do you want to say?
That was weird.
What do you want to
It was
say?
weird, guys.
Hey, this is my girlfriend and her Evo. I'm here with Colette Davis, who brought her beautiful Evo 5 all the way from Orlando, Florida, from our home.
Every time I asked you to stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways.
Oh, shit.
Everyone has lost it. Everyone is going crazy.
Yours is pretty good, I have to say.
Really?
Your accent, yeah.
Really? Oh, that means so much. It's my life goal to be English. Wow! Wow!
Banging Gears Season 1 wrap.
What is going on here? This is a secret location shoot. We have no idea what's happening. Wow. So pretty. Oh, the track looks way bigger from up here. Officially one of the last people at the track. Las Vegas Motor Speedway with no one here at night is just such a vibe. You can't really tell because this is my iPhone, but all like the empty grandstands and just hearing like the wind. It's pretty cool. This place has literally been our home for most of this month, and I can't believe those 3 weeks have just flown by. It's been a really, really awesome experience. We've had over 80 different cars come through here, got to meet so many amazing people, worked with the best crew out there, and I can't believe that is officially a wrap for season 1 of Banging Gears.